Hello, hello, hello. How are you guys? Welcome one more time to Bitbrothers Crypto, a place where you learn and you discover opportunities every single day here on the channel. Let me open here our thumbnail so you guys can see. Let me open here. There. Welcome one more time. So nice to be here today. One more show for you guys. Another live, Beach Brothers live here on the channel. I'm Casquinha Crypto, and today we have a nice show stored for you, and I hope you're gonna have a great time. And I am Casquinha Crypto.
Hey everyone, Papa here, and welcome to the channel. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do now. Follow us on Twitter and on Instagram. Today, it's like we see the market recovered, so it's a good thing, right? So we're gonna have a look into what some TA specialist says and what we think about the market for today. Lots of volatility still because the war is still in the beginning, but luckily we kind of detach a little bit from it because the market recovers super fast, isn't it? So we are already in the same on the levels we were before the war, which is great. I think it brings a lot of like kind of hope for the market, isn't it? It brings a lot of good feelings for the market, at least, although everyone is very, very worried about what's happening in Russia. So yeah, let's keep our minds for the people who are there suffering with this, and let's hope and pray that everything goes and soon with the best outcome possible, with no casualties. And yeah, that's what we hope here in the channel. Okay, so guys, let me share my screen with you now. So we'll talk about what's happening. 1 second. Yeah. So okay, you see Bitcoin at 39,350. It was just 39,500 a few minutes ago. So amazing recovery 10.67%, 13% from Ethereum, 10% from BNB, 11% from XRP. So every coin, like I said, is almost recovered for the week. We can see like some of them even passed. So BNB passed, XRP passed. It's so unfortunate that Cardano hasn't passed the loss of the week. Still 1% below, which is annoying, but yeah. So Solana 6%. Wow, Solana yesterday was about $80, guys. Wow. Yeah. So like we always say, if you have some money aside, dollar cost average is always the best option. Every time there's a dip, buy some, and you're probably gonna be safe. Terra Luna again, amazing, amazing, amazing. 29% on the week, 22% just yesterday. It was crazy. While everything else is going on the red, Luna, it's thriving. It's going crazy. So Terra Luna is the hot shot there, isn't it? So I think really it's one of the best projects this year so far. Really, really strong. A lot of Terra being burnt and lots of UST being minted. Yeah, so it's amazing. So Avalanche at 78, 15% on Avalanche, which is great. So Polkadot, let's see what's Polygon 15 as well. Crow 14%. So it's all amazing here. The layer ones that's recovering really, really fast. Chainlink. But still, guys, if we check, everything is still a bargain. If we check, if we look for the all-time highs of every coin, everything is at a bargain. Taking that chain link is $52, so it's 13 now. We take the Polygon is about $55 all-time high, 17 now. It's just for me, it's just insane that we can still have these opportunities. So lucky you that arrived now. If you are watching today the channel, guys, check layer one protocols. And no financial advice, but it's super, super, super like sale like time now. Okay, and like we could check the metaverse coins because it's going super bullish at the moment, but still very much in discount as well. We can see I saw that Gala was in the very good discount. Let's see where Gala is. Seek VR 16%. I just saw that this coin here, guys, had like, if you invested $1,000 1 year ago in this Seek VR, you would have $65,000 today. It's insane returns, 650x. So it's next level. So yeah, you can see here like Vulcan Forge is 23% for the week, just recovered 15. So I think the game coins hasn't recovered as good as the layer ones. So you can see that there's a big potential here because it hasn't recovered. Like you can see render, it's a 245. 244 is crazy. You know, they engine coin and 20% for the week, just recover 15%. Theta network 20% for the week, recover 15. Axie Infinity recover well compared to all the other ones. Axie Infinity and Decentraland are the ones that recovered more than they lost in the last week. So I think I'm very bullish on gaming coins. Okay, I'm trying to find Gala here. It's quite down, isn't it? Star Atlas as well. D-Race. The coins I mentioned is coins that I really like, guys. Infinity Token. Where is it? Gala. Wow, I can't even see here. That means that the market cap's really low or something's going wrong. Anyway, guys, so yeah, check it out. The metaverse coins. I think it's going to be a good deal. NFTs as well. Let's see the NFT world. What's happening? Decentraland as well. Tezos. Yeah, Tezos. I live in Manchester and I was yesterday in front of the Manchester United Stadium. It's amazing to see. There's a massive logo of Tezos in front of the stadium where they announced Cristiano Ronaldo, which is amazing. So yeah, we can see Gala here. 25% recovery from the 17% loss of the week. So I think it's very far from the all-time high. Gala is releasing a new game soon as well. I forgot the name of the game, but all the Gala games are being very successful. People are very happy. Everywhere you read about Gala games, everyone is very happy about their games. So it's a good bet there. Let's see, 83 cents. So we are 70% down from the all-time highs at 20%. So still, like I said, although came raised 25% today, but it's an amazing buy still. So Matt Cheng here, guys, is an analyst. So he said, looking at the possible double bottom in the making with some hidden bullish diversions. Let's revisit when we get above 41, 42,000. So he thinks we are reaching the double bottom, which is a very good bullish diversions there. So like he shows here, he reached the kind of the same spot, is now on both. And yeah, the same spot on the RSI as well. The RSI is going up, but he thinks after we reach 41, Casca did a very nice analysis there. He also looked for the 41, 42 target there. And yeah, so if they say, the probability of we going higher is better than the probability of we going down. Also, Bitcoin price spikes to 39, leads traders to say the panic is over for a few days. Bitcoin and stock markets recover some of their recent losses, leading traders to suggest that the panic selling could be over for a few days. Global financial markets and crypto markets were pummeled over the past 24 hours as the invasion of Ukraine by Russian force sent investors crumbling and sell-offs took place across most classes. So we saw that the there was a short squeeze as well. A lot of traders who were shorting Bitcoin got liquidated, which was in one way for the long term is a good thing. So the more leverage we have in the market, the more volatile is going to be Bitcoin, isn't it, guys? So we all know that. So yes, there was a lot of short squeeze there, which for the long term is gonna be very good. Data from the Cointelegraph Markets Pro and Trading View shows that the price of Bitcoin hit a low of 34.33 in the early trading hours of February 24th, shortly after the Ukraine incursion began, and has since climbed its way back to 38.5 after unexpected short squeeze may have raped bearish investors on the knuckles. So it's like I said, from the short squeeze, uh, took everyone by surprise there, because I'm sure everybody was thinking because of the war everything was going to plummet really more. So I'm sure there was a lot of shorts open yesterday, and even the many big YouTubers there who are traders, I bet they got liquidated. Here's a look at what several analysts are saying about Bitcoin price and how the ongoing conflict could impact crypto markets in the short term. Bitcoin in a great buy area. So this is what they're saying. A mild correction then was seen in May 2021. The initial panic is over. So honest view, panic is over for a few days, maybe weeks. Markets react in a sense that gold is going to correct. Risk on assets like equities and Bitcoin are going up. Potentially runs of 20 to 45% on altcoins to happen. Wow, that's a very good bullish way of seeing. Michael Van Pope said that. Okay. Although all of these, they are saying that they're everything showing that we're going up, we're still in a lot of fear. 27. Again, if you're a hodler, you're gonna take that as a bonus and see that we are still very, very bullish, take into consideration all of this that's happening, guys. So I think look into all of this and the recovery that Bitcoin has done. So it's amazing. Yeah. So Casca is going to carry on now with you guys. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave us your comments. And thank you very much. And be careful when you invest. Make sure you do your own research, guys. Always, always, always do your own research. Okay.
What's up, guys? Here I saw something on Twitter today quite funny. If I sell, this will happen. And if I hold, this will happen. And if I buy, this will happen. And I thought it's true story. That's most of the time when we sell, hold, or buy, this will happen to the chart. Oh my God.
I've been living this buy thing forever now. I'm like, man.
Guys, some news here reported first real. Let me just mute Papa here because I can hear myself 3 times. Reported first real estate purchase made with Bitcoins in Chile. So the first real estate purchase with Bitcoins happens in Chile, which is very interesting, very nice. Regional manager, this regional of Remax, a real estate firm that operates worldwide, has announced that the first real estate purchase with cryptocurrency has already occurred in Chile. The purchase that was made using Bitcoin happened last year. Such purchases have also already happened in other countries like Colombia, Mexico, and Venezuela. That's very nice because Bitcoins take its own natural course of when it was created as a way of a better, safer, faster way of payments. Chile is just one of the Latin countries that has debuted Bitcoin as a payment option available for properties and land. Prior to this report, several purchases of the same coins has been made in countries of the region. The first purchase was reported in Venezuela in August when an apartment was purchased with $12,000 worth of USDT. It's very nice for me to listen or just to hear and read those news because of the cryptocurrency taking its own course of decentralization, fast way of payments, cheaper, done digitally. So very nice. Okay, another news, but in fact, it's the rest of the news is only on Solana, as you can see here. I'm bullish on Solana first because of the price. I think the ecosystem of Solana is something that can explode eventually. I'm talking long term, maybe not the whole ecosystem, but some projects on Solana and Solana itself. We know that Solana on the last bull run that we just had was the all-time high of $250. So, for example, Solana-based DeFi merging trading protocol raised $3 million in seed funding. I'm just saying this here because that means that a lot of people are actually believing in Solana. So it's the last year we had the Solana conference in Portugal. So there's a lot of things happening around Solana ecosystem. We know that Solana have had a huge spike, right? So, well, basically on the last day, 24 hours, we can see here Solana has grown. But if we look here, last year, around July last year, Solana was around $20. If we go back a little bit, in March, Solana was around $2-3. And if we think that the all-time high here was over to $258, so it's grown crazy, a crazy amount. And now it has done a little spike yesterday, but it still sits at $88 more or less. As if we were going back in time in August last year, at $88. I remember Solana being $88, and I thought, I'm too expensive. Because I thought that Solana would not grow to 258. Otherwise, I would have put all my money on it. Because I remember so it was 28 of 28 of that week of August, it took November, August, September, October, 4 months to get to the all-time high. 4 months to take to the all-time high. And remember the cycle of the Bitcoins that we were checking yesterday. I can go there after for you guys to have a look. There was some cycles of RSI of 4 months down, 3 months up, 4 months down in the last year. I'll show you guys there on the Bitcoins chart. So if Solana follow the same principle, let's go here. Let's my computer. So if we go here, is a weekly chart, okay? If you can see here, 4 months here. No, this is 5 months, but it was from 2021. So it's 4 months here, and then 3 months there, 3 months there. Then that's what we are now. I think that's what we go. That's what Bitcoin is going to be doing. As you can see here, it drops to the exactly supports I have put it here before. Look, 33, and I said it might fall to 31, but it went exactly on this support here and start to go up again on this uptrend line that I have here. Bear in mind that I'm not a TA, something that I just like to check and take my own conclusions on this, on the chart, as a speculation only. But as you can see here on a daily chart, it's it might not go up, it might drop again, we don't know. But I have here a line here on the Bitcoins, an uptrend line here. Hopefully by middle of April, more or less, be around 56,000. So Solana, if we think of that, let me find Solana here. Solana. Solana is here. That this didn't happen. We thought it was a cup and handle. It didn't happen because of many different things. Look, the RSI is going up in a daily trends. There is some volume coming in. So if we look here, oops, if we make this a little bit big, we can see a volume. Look the volume of this candle here on the 24 yesterday. Okay, went all the way up to 20 to 94. So I am bullish on Solana. I think Solana is but of course in a long term. Remember, do your own research. Nothing that we say here is to be considered for financial advice. Okay, we just speculation the market as much as you do as well. The golden pocket is still in the same area that I put it here before. The golden pocket is where when it decides to go up, more or less, probably will end up somewhere there. If we take the last up, let's see, more or less there as well. I think Solana is very nice, not only for the token itself, right? For the Solana, the chain, because it's a powerful for developers, faster for everyone. As we can see here, transactions per second is 2,564. Total of look the amount of total of transactions. The average cost per transactions in Solana is unbelievable cheap. Is 0.3025. So it's very, very cheap. Cheap is the fastest growing ecosystem. So I like Solana, and I think there is a strong potential in order to grow. And this is the ecosystem of Solana. As you can see, Papa also spoke before about Luna. Luna had 24% in the last 24 hours up. All right, so we can see he is the only green chart at the moment. And look the spike, how shoot up to the sky has gone. Chainlink, Chainlink is something that I'm gonna do a little study. I was checking yesterday, and I'm gonna do a video only on Chainlink for you guys. By the way, if you guys go to our channel, I'm gonna start to do these videos on the chains, on the particular chain. So if we go here to the videos, you guys saw here that I posted a video yesterday. Is it still worth investing in Cardano? So I post the last project on Cardano, and I speak a little about Cardano there, so you guys can go and have a look on Cardano. There's a video on that. I have done a video as well on Postchain, on PostX. I have done a video on Liquid Loan, on Bitcoin itself. So I am going to be starting doing videos on a coin, particular coins, trying to find a little bit more about the project, a little bit more about the ecosystem, and bring to you if the way I think, if it's still worth it to invest in my way of seeing, and so on and so on. Okay. By the way, today, maybe in a couple of hours, on tonight at some point, I don't know yet, because I need to see when I'm going to have time. There is a new video coming out, which is going to be this. Today is the last day of PostX sacrifice, and as you can see here on the top is probably the new DEX of PostX that's going to be launched. See where you connect your wallet, and so it should be very, very interesting video that I'm going to bring that to you guys probably today. So keep your eyes open for that also. Here on the ecosystem of Solana, we have the graph. I think the graph is a good project to go and look. At the moment, it sits at 35 cents. Is very nice. Also, our EVE. Our EVE went up all the way back on the days on the bull run. I did put some money in our EVE and made some very nice gains to me. Our EVE, remember, is to store data. So it's a very nice protocol for you to go and have a look as well. And then render token audios now within Solana, very cool. So yes, Radium, which is a DEX, you can go and have a look. It's very nice. Akasha Network. So there is some very nice tokens within, we could say, discounts within the Solana ecosystem. We know that Solana have its time already of spike and everything, but now everything is down. So when things start to go back up, maybe Solana, it's a good place to think about it. Bear in mind that nothing we say here is investment advice. Literally. So do your own research, see the things that you believe to be good for you for your own investment. Everything that we bring here, nothing we bring here is paid by the coins or by any sort of project. By the way, we do like, and we're looking for a sponsor to the channel. So if you have a project that may benefit the community or benefit our viewers, we believe that is something that is great for the crypto space. Definitely would like to connect to us and be sponsored to the channel. But everything else that we bring here on the channel, it's everything that we have researched and studied ourselves in order to bring to you the best information. Myself and Papa, we make sure that everything we bring here is to the best what we can find to our Bit family. Okay, so guys, I hope there's not many things to be said at the moment. We have a spike happen at the moment on the market. Some stuff start to go on. Bitcoin start to recover a little bit, as we saw before. But be careful out there. If you're going to do any sort of investment, make sure you do your own research. Go into the protocols, check the team, check the roadmap, and make sure that you don't gonna get wrecked or fooled by anybody. It doesn't matter if it's us or any big YouTube. It doesn't matter. Remember, it's your money, it's your key, it's your money. It's you who decides where you're going to invest your money. Okay, we just bring the information and potential projects that might benefit you overall. So that's it. Anything else, Papa, you want to say? Let me unmute. Man, let me do it. No, you have to do it. You do it. Can't unmute your guests because they chose to mute themselves.
Okay. No, I didn't mute myself. You muted me. Anyway, guys, no, I have nothing to say. Thank you very much. Check all our videos on the channel. Casca's been doing some great work with like new coins and everything.
Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel.
I'm studying a lot of the staking. I said to Casca, I've been studying a lot staking, which is a bit kind of, it gives a headache because I said to him, I don't want to bring content that I haven't used, but I'll bring content to explain how to use eventually. So just I know more or less, which is a safer bet. So at the moment I'm looking to osmosis, B finance. So I bring some things for you soon, okay? And yeah, keep checking our videos on PostX and PostChain. It's going crazy. And that's it, 476 subscribers.
So make sure you are the 477. Make sure you are the 478. Make sure you help us to get to the 500. We've been here for 4 months, and we want to get to the 500 and then to the 1,000 subscribe. Of course, always bringing to you the best content about crypto and the universe on the crypto space. Okay, thank you very much. Subscribe, leave your mark, you smash your like button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Ciao.